Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn that how you can download the Sublime and install it on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Google Chrome. And after opening the Google Chrome, you have to write the Sublime here. As you can see, I'm going to write the Sublime. Then you have to press the enter. So as you can see, the website is open. Now you have to click on the download button. After clicking on the download button, you have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the website is open. Now what you need to do, you have to click on the download button. After clicking on the download button, so as you can see, the downloading is done. Now what we need to do, we have to open this. For opening this, we have to click on this. So as you can so as you can see, now we have to press the yes, and now we have to press the next and next and next, and it's installing. It will take few seconds in installation. As you can see, the installation process is completed. Now we have to click on the finish. After clicking on the finish, the Sublime will be started. The Sublime will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install Sublime on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.